Bamboo ceramic cups are everywhere. Stylish and sustainable, they are the perfect way to enjoy your favorite beverage. Want to make your own? It's easier than you think. With a few simple steps, you can create a personalized cup that's both chic and eco-friendly. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather our materials. This step is crucial to ensure that you have everything you need at hand, making the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Having all your supplies ready will save you time and help you stay focused on the creative process. You will need a plain ceramic cup. Choose your favorite size and shape. This will be the base of your project. The cup can be any color or design, but make sure it's plain enough to allow for customization later. If you have multiple cups, you can experiment with different designs. Next, you will need a piece of bamboo that is slightly taller than your cup. Bamboo is a versatile material that adds a natural touch to your project. Ensure the bamboo is straight and free from cracks. You can find bamboo at most craft stores or online. If you have access to a garden, you might even find some there. You will also need strong adhesive suitable for both ceramic and wood. This will ensure that the bamboo sticks firmly to the cup. Additionally, fine grit sandpaper is essential for smoothing out any rough edges on the bamboo. Sanding the bamboo will help the adhesive bond better and give your project a polished look. A small saw or hand saw is necessary if you need to cut the bamboo to the desired length. Make sure the saw is sharp and suitable for cutting bamboo. If you don't have a saw, you can ask a local hardware store to cut the bamboo for you. Safety first. Always wear protective gloves and goggles when cutting. Finally, for customization, you can use paints, markers, or varnish. These are optional but highly recommended if you want to add a personal touch to your project. Choose colors that complement the natural look of the bamboo and the ceramic cup. Varnish can be used to seal your design and give it a glossy finish. Customizing your cup makes it unique and adds a personal flair. Now that we have all our supplies, we are ready to start crafting. Make sure you have a clean and organized workspace. This will help you stay focused and make the crafting process more enjoyable. Let's get started. Now let's prepare our bamboo. Bamboo is a versatile and sustainable material that has been used for centuries in various cultures for building, crafting, and even cooking. Its strength and flexibility make it an ideal choice for many projects. Today we'll walk you through the essential steps to prepare bamboo for your crafting needs. Whether you're making furniture, decorative items, or even musical instruments, proper preparation is key to ensuring the durability and beauty of your final product. If your bamboo piece is too long, carefully cut it to the desired size using a saw. Make sure to measure twice and cut once to avoid any mistakes. Bamboo can be quite tough, so use a saw with fine teeth for a cleaner cut. Take your time and apply steady pressure to ensure a straight and even cut. This step is crucial as it determines the overall dimensions of your project. A well-cut bamboo piece will fit better and look more professional in your final creation. Remember to wear gloves and eye protection when using sharp tools. Safety should always be your top priority. Bamboo splinters can be quite sharp and can cause injuries if you're not careful. Additionally, wearing a dust mask is advisable to avoid inhaling any fine particles that may be produced during the cutting and sanding process. Proper safety gear not only protects you, but also allows you to work more confidently and efficiently. Once cut, smooth any rough edges by gently sanding the ends of the bamboo. Use fine grit sandpaper for this task to achieve a smooth finish. Sanding not only removes splinters but also prepares the bamboo for any finishing touches, such as staining or varnishing. Take your time to ensure all edges are smooth to the touch. This step enhances the overall appearance and safety of your bamboo piece, making it more pleasant to handle and use. Wipe away any dust with a damp cloth. This final cleaning step is essential to remove any residual sawdust or particles that could interfere with the finishing process. A clean surface ensures that any paint, stain, or varnish adheres properly, giving your bamboo piece a polished and professional look. Additionally, cleaning the bamboo helps to reveal its natural beauty, highlighting the unique grain patterns and colors that make each piece one of a kind. Now your bamboo is ready for the next stage of your project. Next, prepare your ceramic cup. Ensure it's clean and dry. You can personalize your cup further by painting or drawing designs on it. Let your creativity flow. If you choose to paint, allow the paint to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Section 5. Marrying bamboo and ceramic. In this section, we will explore the fascinating process of combining two distinct materials, bamboo and ceramic. These materials, each with their unique properties, can create a beautiful and functional piece when brought together. Let's dive into the steps required to achieve this perfect marriage. Now comes the exciting part, attaching the bamboo. This step is crucial as it determines the final look and durability of your creation. Make sure you have all your materials ready and your workspace is clean and organized. A well-prepared workspace can make a significant difference in the outcome of your project. Apply a generous amount of adhesive to one end of the bamboo piece. The type of adhesive you choose is important. It should be strong enough to bond bamboo and ceramic securely. Epoxy adhesives are often recommended for such projects due to their strength and durability. Ensure that the adhesive is evenly spread to avoid any weak spots. Carefully align the bamboo with the center of the cup's handle and press firmly. This step requires precision and patience. Misalignment can lead to an uneven and unstable handle, which could affect the usability of the cup. Take your time to ensure that the bamboo is perfectly centered and straight. Hold it in place for a few minutes to allow the adhesive to bond. The initial bonding time is critical. During this period, avoid any movement that could disrupt the adhesive setting process. You might want to use clamps or other tools to keep the bamboo in place if your hands get tired. Leave it to dry completely as per the adhesive's instructions. Drying times can vary depending on the type of adhesive used, so be sure to read the manufacturer's guidelines. Once dried, your bamboo and ceramic piece will be ready for use. This combination not only looks aesthetically pleasing, but also adds a unique touch to your everyday items. Enjoy your handcrafted creation. Section 6. The finishing flourish. Once the adhesive is dry, your bamboo ceramic cup is ready. You can add a finishing touch by applying a coat of varnish to the bamboo for extra protection and shine. Feel free to further personalize your creation by carving your initials into the bamboo or adding decorative elements. Section 7. Show off your handiwork. Congratulations on crafting your very own bamboo ceramic cup. Fill it with your favorite beverage and enjoy the fruits of your labor. This unique and stylish cup is sure to impress your friends and family. Section 8. Care tips for your creation. To keep your bamboo ceramic cup looking its best, hand wash it with warm soapy water. Avoid using harsh detergents or abrasive scrubbers. Allow the cup to air dry completely before storing it. With proper care, your handcrafted cup will bring you joy for years to come. Section 9. Join the crafting conversation. We'd love to see your creations. Share photos of your bamboo ceramic cups on social media and tag us. Happy crafting!